Hello and welcome back. We have seen Nifty picking up very decent momentum in last 3-4 sessions. If we look at the chart structure, we can see that the index has moved from 21,600 levels to 22,100 mark. So it's a very decent rally that we have seen. But if we look at the broader chart structure, we can see that the index has been facing very strong resistance around 21,100, 150 zone. So this will continue to act as a very strong hurdle for the index. If index manages to sustain above this 22,150 mark, then we could see the index stretching up to 22,400 mark on the higher side. On the lower side, we can clearly see that there is a very a crucial trend line support placed around 21,800 mark. So until and unless Nifty holds above this 21,800 mark, things will remain broadly bullish. Below 21,800, there could be some weakness setting in the index, and in such a case, the index could drift towards 21,500 and 21,200 on the lower side. But for that, it needs to sustain below 21,800 on closing basis. So this is the broader chart structure as of now of the Nifty. As far as multiple averages are concerned, we can see that the setup of multiple averages, that is 5 days, 13 days and 26 days average, is positively placed, and the index itself is sustaining above its 5 days average. So technically there is no weakness in the index. So we need to see how things pan out going forward, but these are the levels that we mentioned that one should watch out for. So as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, there is a very good bottom formation that took place around 44,800, 45,000 zone on the lower side, and the index has been moving higher for last 5-6 sessions, and now it is very close to 47,000 mark. So if it sustains to above 47,000 mark, then we could see the rally picking up more momentum, because last time the index reversed from that 47,000 odd level. So this time, if it manages to sustain above it on closing basis, then the index could again pick up momentum, and in that case, there is a price gap which is left around 48,000 mark that could be attempted. Index could attempt to fill that gap. So we need to see how things pan out, but this is the level on the higher side. As far as supports are concerned, as I said, 44,500, 600, that is going to act as a good support for the index, and if we see any close below 44,800 on the lower side on the broader perspective, then there is a very significant weakness that could set in the index. But otherwise, things are looking very positive as of now. Multiple averages have been like that setup was negatively placed for quite some time now, and now it is turning positive. We can see that 5 days average has moved above 13 and 26 days average, and the index is maintaining consistently for 4 days above its 5 days average. So things are looking okay. The index is picking up momentum here, and we need to see if it manages to sustain above 47,000 mark or not. In that case, as I said, we could see the index attempting 48,000 on the higher side. Immediate support for the index is placed around 46,300, 400 zone, and below that next support would be around 46,000 zone. This is a very short term support that I'm talking about. Broader support, as I said, around 44,500, 600 zone. So this is the broader chart setup of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's see how things pan out going forward, but the broader chart structure of both the indices still suggests that there is still steam left in both the indices, and in the very short term, the bulls are likely to gain momentum. Standard warning: please note that investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.